I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the steamer is clean and the reservoir has the correct amount of water. This prevents dry boil damage. Place the lower rack and basket, then add 1/2 cup to 2 cups depending on cook time so you have continuous steam. Why this matters is simple. Insufficient water stops steaming. Once set, preheat with lid on until steady steam. You'll hear a soft hiss. Make sure seals sit flat so pressure and heat distribute evenly before adding food. You now load food strategically. Dense items that take longer go low, delicate items above, because steam rises and evens out cooking. This ensures consistent doneness. Leave about 1-2 cm of headspace so steam can circulate. Crowding creates cold pockets. Set the steamer timer based on recipe, then monitor the water reservoir and vent position during the cycle. If steam wanes, add hot water quickly to avoid interrupting cook. Remember to keep the lid closed. You finish by turning off heat and opening the lid away from your face to avoid a steam burn. Remove food with tongs and allow a short rest so carryover heat evens textures. If items are undercooked, return them for a 2 to 5 minute boost. Always check the water level before restarting so you don't run dry. If the unit stops producing steam, power it off, let it cool, refill the reservoir if empty, then restart. This resets safety cutouts and clears minor faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.